Hetki Param Shanti. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Deshrat by Patel. Bapuji is giving advice not to go for tantric bluffs. Param Shanti. The people who are going to big tantrics due to agony and pains in this illusionary world, even though ghosts are entering in them rather than leaving. They are wandering here and there for solution. The Bhut Yoni and Pret Yoni are coming into these people's karmic bondages and troubling them a lot. Sometimes they spoils the atmosphere of house so that human cannot sustain there any longer. Sometimes they make people helpless and compel them to do suicide also. Some souls enter into human and commit suicides. If any sinful human after his death, according to Antimati Sogati, as if he had a thought to take revenge on anyone after his death and had revengeful thoughts throughout his life, this type of negative soul after his death turns to ghost and take revenge on people and on their pedigree also. Even though if we try to give knowledge to these helpless people, but they can't take the knowledge, then what to do? If they took knowledge and do meditate, then they get power in their soul. Soul needs power. These ghosts and spirits can only trouble weak souls, the people who had black aura. If there is power in a soul, they can't trouble these people. They can't even come nearer to them. They run away from them. They can see the aura. Negative people will have black aura, but positive people are the people who do great devotion towards Vishnu and Shiv. Negative souls can't go nearer to them. The souls who are knowledgeable and had belief in Shiv, incorporeal light, who believes purely in only one without wandering here and there, those who are remembering incorporeal Shiv will have some power. And the souls who are in remembrance of Almighty also will have power. However, soul wants power. If it got power, its causal and subtle body charges, and their aura turns good enough. Then the ghosts which are already entered into that body will also leave that body, because negative souls can't bear the power, so they run away from the body. So soul wants power. Where is the power? Power is at only Almighty authority. No one had the power rather than him. May it Shiv or Mahashiv or Param Mahashiv or 100 times Param 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 Mahashiv. So the situation in this infinite universe is very bad. These spirits and ghosts are not only on earth. In infinite number of solar systems, everywhere there is this type of situation. That's why the souls which are in infinite number of solar system are asking for salvation. They are crying for salvation. So one should take the help of knowledge and should think from where one gets power in one's soul. Walk towards the path of knowledge. Do meditate. Connect with Almighty authority and have power. Your soul will gain power and your bad karmas will burn up. Your causal and subtle bodies get charged. Your aura turns good enough that ghosts will run away from you. And ghosts don't come into your houses at all. Param Shanti.